Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing what I had said last time with the tiles to make those trays for microgreens. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a series of holes in this one because I want this one to be a draining one. So I'm just going to do random hole patterns and use the drill press over there with a diamond bit because this stuff is tough stuff. So here we go. We're going to start with looking for a diamond bit, which I believe I have. It's like a cement bit. So you can get these at the hardware store. They have like a little tip on them that cuts through cement, and in this case it cuts through ceramic tile. I've used it before, it does work. So usually you should put some water on the drill while you're drilling. And you should be able to see, yeah. I'll try it. So here we go. That's going to be a lot of holes, and usually I want to go some faster than that. This tile is really hard. Definitely need some water. Thought that was going through. It's not. Wow, it's tough. Try it there again. Thing is that this will be something that's useful all the time. I'll be able to reuse these trays over and over again. But I'm going to actually need a better bit. Yeah, because there's no way that's even going to work. Interesting. Another option. What's another option for this question? Think this over for a minute. And we'll ponder that for a bit. Smaller diamond bit. This one's actually diamond, so this should work. This is loud. Man. I've used this thing before. I don't know why it's screaming so badly. Okay, we'll come back to this. Through here. I'm going to try this one. It's a little bit sharper bit. See what happens. Mastercraft. Yeah, we should be through this by now. That's in there good. Yeah, that's like 3/4 of the way through. And that bit is smooth. Smooth, smooth, smooth. Final two. This one here. Here we have it. A whole grid full of holes that you can't see right now, but I'll wash it off and it'll be easy to see. This pattern is really random. Don't care. As long as it lets the roots find their way out. Certain plants like to grow a little differently than others. So, alright, so this is the finished product, at least finished cleaning up product. I haven't glued it together yet, but in this one here, what I'll be doing a little bit differently is that I'll be putting the tiles on top because I want this piece here to fit inside of one of these, which will have no holes in it. And these ones here, all of these tile things here are on the outside of the middle piece. So just like you can see here, they go around the outside. This one's here is going to go on the inside. And it'll be probably actually a little stronger too. So basically all I'm going to do is silicone it up. I was going to use this PL Premium, but I think I'm just still going to use Alexel. So, let me do that real quick here. So, this time I'm going to put it right on the bottom because it's going to be a contact spot. So, sit over here. So, put the big ones on first. So the trick now with drilling these, I found out, is using a ceramic that's a lot softer, which is a wall tile rather than a floor tile. Floor tiles are really quite tough. So I'd use a wall tile. They have a softer body to them. So again, I'm going to put on the ends of the thing here and the bottom. We have it. It's kind of a completed project of sorts. It's not beautiful, but it works, and it'll fit inside of these ones here, of course. That's the bottom side, but fit inside these like that. And as you can see, the greens are getting bigger. Oh, the wheat grass is I've been harvesting it, of course. So